Special greetings, my dear students. In previous class, we learned computer network, types of network, after modem, hub, switch. This all things we learned, and today we are going to learn networking terminology. In networking terminology, today we are going to see internet, intranet, bandwidth, internet service provider, website, web port and web page, home page, link, hyperlink and hypertext. Today we are going to cover this all topics. First, internet. Already in our first topic was internet only. Already we seen internet is a network of network. It is a global wide area network. It is connected through the world, across the world. It provides varieties of information and communication facilities. Already we learned about the internet. Now we are going to see intranet. What is meant by intranet? Internet means a entire world. Network is connected. Intranet means it connected in organization, in connected inside of a organization. Best example is in our school, extra mark is there. Any class we can open a smart board and we can access extra mark content inside of our school only. So it is inside of an organization. It is called intranet. We can able to see the definition here. Intranet refers to a computer network with an organization used to share files and resources of the organization securely. Third, bandwidth. What is a bandwidth? Bandwidth means a speed in a per second, how much information we can able to gather. Bandwidth is the amount of data that can be transmitted in a fixed amount of time. Example, in this place we can able to see speed of my internet. So means per second I can able to gather information about 1.6 MB or 5 MB like that. Means per second how much information we can able to gather. That is called bandwidth. See here the given definition. Bandwidth is the amount of data that can be transmitted in a fixed amount of time. Per second how much information we are gathering. The bandwidth is a usual expressed in bits per second or bytes per second or higher unit like kilobytes per second and megabytes per second. Maximum megabytes per second only they will use. Internet service provider, ISP. Now I am using here internet. This internet who is providing? This internet provided by companies like telecommunication companies like Vodafone, BSNL, Airtel, Reliance and etc. This all are the companies they are providing internet. We are paying money, so we are getting internet connection like 2 GB, 3 GB. So who all are the ISPs in India? Airtel, Vodafone. This all will come in a ISP. Website. A website is a collection of related web pages containing images, videos or other digital media. Means here what we have to understand. Any companies or schools, colleges, medical, government sector or private sector, any, they are advertising and they are giving more information regarding their particular institution by website. In this website we can able to see more information about the particular institute. Example, if you are going to our school, in our website, in our school website we can able to see lots of information about our school. So that is a website. Third, web portal. Students, please kindly don't confuse what is a website, what is a web portal. Website is a web page. Now I'm showing you. Now when I'm opening up a school website, we can able to see a plenty of information about our school. So this is a website. In case if we are opening web portal, what will happen? I'm going to show what is a web portal. Now I opened google.com. In this, I'm going to search LFS. What will happen? In a Google, when I search LFS guitar or networking, anything, we can able to see many related information from different sources. Again, I'm saying many information from different sources we can able to see about networking. I just typed networking and I searched. Here we can able to see network. Regarding networking, we are gathering information from different site. Cisco.com, searchnet, networking.greek.com. So this all are the different sources. They are giving information about network to us. So Google is a web portal. Here we can able to see, unlike a website, it does not contain information or on any topic. Rather, it suggests a website. It does not contain information on any topic. Rather, it suggests web pages to the user to find the desired information. So Google is a example. When I search networking, whatever sources it shown, it is from different website. It is not from a Google site. This all from different site. So these are the things today we seen. Students, I please kindly go through this, and thanks for watching.